True or false? All doctors are trained about ADHD. Type your answer below in 3 seconds. The answer is false. Unfortunately, not all doctors are well trained or even trained at all about ADHD. In medical school, some of them receive only 1 hour of lecture about mental health or ADHD. That creates an adverse effect or negative effect to their patients. If a patient goes to a doctor who is not well trained or skilled at diagnosing ADHD or identifying comorbidity about ADHD, then the patient is usually at a loss too. It's like the blind leading the blind. And when the doctor prescribes ADHD medication and that doctor is not well trained in fine-tuning the medication depending on the needs of the patient and according to the patient's life changes and life stressors, then the patient is the one that suffers. My suggestion is be an advocate for yourself. That's what I do. I've encountered doctors whom I know are not well trained about ADHD. Luckily, I've researched about ADHD myself and I become my own advocate as to my medication, therapy, and coping strategies. You got this. I'm Catherine Lizardo, the ADHD mom, TEDx speaker, and lawyer. I help moms worldwide embrace their ADHD. Subscribe for more.